Namaskar. Myself, Dr. J.K. Chandru, Assistant Professor of Botany, Kalyan PG College, Bhilainagar. My topic is pathological tool and techniques, especially useful for pathological experiments. First of all, cleaning and preparation of glassware. Glassware are boiled in hot water before washing. Soak the glassware in soap water for 10 minutes and wash them with soft brush or cotton. Clean glassware in tap water. Transfer the glassware to the pot containing chromic acid solution for about 30 minutes or overnight if they are very dirty. After washing, wrap the paper around glassware and keep it in oven at 60 degree centigrade temperature for overnight. And now clean the glassware with 70% alcohol before using. Culture media, especially for fungal organism, a media is necessary for their culture and study. The growth of an organism on a medium called culture and the food base that support the growth of an organism is called culture media. Culture media are those used on the basis of experience and not on the basis of exact knowledge of their composition and action, like milk, diluted blood, vegetable juice, etc., is known as natural media. While a number of culture media were developed with exact knowledge of nutritional requirement of microorganisms, these are chemically defined media with exactly known composition is called synthetic media. Here some example are composition of natural and synthetic media. In natural media, there are two types of media in the screen. First, PDA, that is called potato dextrose media, and corn meal dextrose agar media. In PDA, we use potato extract about 450 ml, dextrose 9 gram, peptone 1 gram, agar 15 gram, and about 475 ml distilled water. In corn meal dextrose agar media, we use corn extract 200 ml, dextrose 10 gram, peptone 20 gram, agar 20 gram, and about 800 ml distilled water. In synthetic media, Asthana Hawker media and Jipax Docs media. In Asthana Hawker media, glucose 5 gram, KNO3 3.5 gram, KS2PO4 1 gram, MgSO4 7H2O 0.75 gram, agar 20 gram, and 1000 ml distilled water. In Jipax Docs media, NaNO3 2 gram, KS2PO4 1 gram, MgSO4 7H2O 5 gram, KCl 0.5 gram, sucrose 30 gram, agar 20 gram, and 1000 ml distilled water we use. Now, sterilization. There are so many methods for sterilization. Some of them are: first, dry heat. This is achieved in electric oven at 180 degree for 2 hours. Mainly for petri plates, pipette, needle and metallic equipment are sterilized in this way. Wet air or steam. In this method, culture media and water are sterilized by using moist heat like steam under pressure. It is done through autoclaving and also by pressure cooker. Dried flame. By keeping on direct flame up to red hot and cooling in 10% alcohol, repeat it 2 to 3 times. Inoculating needle, forceps, slide and glass rod are sterilized in this way. Surface disinfection. We use for surface disinfection phenols, boric acid, 0.1% solution of mercury chloride. It is also used for surface sterilization of diseased tissue. UV treatment. UV rays are used to kill the microorganism and keep the sterile inoculation chamber. Fumigation. Fumigation is used to make sterile atmosphere where UV can not be used or not available. Now pouring. First of all, preparation for pouring. Take petri plate and clean them with absolute alcohol. Prepare the bundle of 5 petri plate wrapping in newspaper. Sterilize the bundles in hot air oven at 180 degree centigrade for 2 hours. And now melt autoclave media by heating on the water bath. Method of pouring. First of all, wash the hand with soap water as well as absolute alcohol and get them air dry. Arrange sterile petri plates near the burner. Hold the conical flask containing autoclave medium in right hand. Remove cotton plug through left hand near the burner or lamp. Gently lift the lid of upper petri plate with the left hand and pour about 10 to 20 ml media. After this, allow the culture media for solidification. Inoculation of fungal culture. After pouring, we inoculate fungi or fungal organism for their culture. For this, arrange sterile petri plate near the burner or lamp. Select the infected host tissue and cut into small pieces with the help of sterile blade. Wash the pieces with 0.1% HCl mercury chloride solution and distilled water. Place 2 to 4 sterile pieces in a single previously poured petri plate. Incubate at room temperature, that is 27 degrees centigrade, for growth in inverted position. In case of soil suspension, with sterile water in test tube and make serial dilution. For inoculation, fifth dilution of suspension poured into petri plate. In the air exposed poured petri plate, add some tap water and incubate similarly. Slant preparation. Usually, we use slant for pure culturing. Pure fungal culture are maintained in slant. Slant are prepared by pouring 5 to 10 ml media in sterile culture test tube and plugged with cotton plug. Culture test tube are allowed to get solidify in slanting condition on wooden rack or block. This provides more surface for growth of an organism, and after 10 days of pure culturing, culture organism is stored in refrigerators. Some laboratory precautions. Broken or chipped glassware should not be left on the bench or shelf in the floor or in the floor. Chemical bottle and apparatus should be kept in proper after use. Always wear cotton cloth in the lab. Neutralize the acid spills with sodium bicarbonate and alkali spills with boric acid. A person working in a chemical laboratory should locate fire extinguisher. First aid box should be used for any injury. Switch off the instrument after use. One should perform only of the allotted experiment and should not work alone in the laboratory. Special care should be taken while working with organic solvent and inflammable substances. Use rubber gloves while working with toxic substances. In case of fume, use exhaust fan and avoid breathing in fumes. Clean your seat before leaving the laboratories. Thank you.